Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Online. We'll explore several exciting ways to jump into the Mushroom Kingdom, whether you prefer solo adventures or teaming up with friends. You'll discover how to access these classic games through your web browser, official Nintendo services, and even fan-made creations. Get ready to relive the magic of Super Mario from almost any device, completely free or through a subscription. One of the easiest ways to play Super Mario Online is through free browser-based platforms. Numerous websites host classic titles like the original Super Mario Bros., Super Mario World, and even Mario Kart, all playable directly in your web browser. These platforms typically utilize HTML5 technology, meaning you won't need to download or install any software. You can also find many fan-made games and unique modifications, offering fresh experiences with familiar characters. For official experiences, a Nintendo Switch Online subscription grants access to a library of classic NES and SNES Super Mario games, allowing you to play with friends online. Beyond official channels, the community has created fantastic fan-made multiplayer hacks. For instance, some remakes of the new Super Mario Bros. DS Mario vs. Luigi mode support up to 10 players, offering both cooperative and competitive fun with custom levels and power-ups. To ensure a safe and enjoyable online Super Mario experience, always stick to reputable websites for browser-based games. Be wary of platforms that ask for excessive personal information or prompt you to download suspicious files. It's also a good practice to keep your device's antivirus software updated for an extra layer of protection. By following these simple tips, you can safely explore the vast and exciting world of Super Mario Online.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.